Question number 1. Which of the following is an essential amino acid? The right answer is option C. Question number 2. What is the primary function of amino acids in the human body? The right answer is B. Building blocks of proteins. Question number 3. Which amino acid is involved in the synthesis of neurotransmitters? The right answer is A. Tyrosine. Question number 4. What is the difference between essential and non-essential amino acids? The right answer is option B. Non-essential amino acids are synthesized by the human body. Question number 5. Which of the following amino acids is acidic in nature? The right answer is C. Glutamic acid. Question number 6. What is the primary function of nucleic acids? The right answer is option C. Genetic information storage. Question number 7. Which nucleic acid is responsible for protein synthesis? The right answer is option B. RNA. Question number 8. What is the difference between DNA and RNA? The right answer is option B. DNA contains thymine and contains uracil. Question number 9. Which of the following is a type of RNA? The right answer is option D. All of the above. Question number 10. What is the function of mRNA? The right answer is option A. Transfer genetic information from DNA to ribosomes. Question number 11. How many chromosomes are found in human somatic cells? The right answer is option B. 23 pairs. Question number 12. What is the function of chromosomes? The right answer is option C. Genetic information storage. Question number 13. Which of the following is a type of chromosome abnormality? The right answer is option D. All of the above. Question number 14. What is the result of having an extra chromosome 21? The right answer is option A. Down syndrome. Question number 15. Which of the following is a technique used to study chromosome? The right answer is option D. All of the above. Question number 16. What is the function of DNA polymerase? The right answer is option B. Synthesizes new DNA strands. Question number 17. Which part of the chromosome protects it from deterioration? The right answer is option B. Telomere. Question number 18. What is the structural unit of chromatin in eukaryotic cells? The right answer is option A. Nucleosome. Question number 19. During which phase of cell division do chromosomes become visible under a microscope? The right answer is option B. Prophase. Question number 20. Which chromosome abnormality is associated with Turner syndrome? The right answer is option A. Monosomy X. Thanks for watching.